Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. What we think, we become. Health is the greatest gift. Happiness never decreases by being shared. No one saves us but ourselves. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Let go of what you fear to lose. Attachment leads to suffering. With our thoughts, we make the world. Be a light unto yourself. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. Do not dwell in the past. Live in the present. The root of suffering is attachment. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one that brings peace. The way is not in the sky, it is in the heart. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. If you light a lamp for someone, it also brightens your path. To understand everything is to forgive everything. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. Your work is to discover your work and then, with all your heart, give yourself to it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, share and subscribe.